How long it would take? 339 miles? No bueno. No bueno. Alright, we're gonna go fast. We're gonna go fast, okay? Oh! What do you mean? Offensive. Nah, bro, I'm not offensive. Have you ever seen the semi-truck drive 120 miles? Oh no! Ooh, I almost get that thing. Maybe I should change in the point of view. Point of view. Point of view. Point of view. Let's go. Oh, it feels so realistic. Oh, no, 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 no! Okay, okay, that's not too bad. I'm gonna go fast. Okay. How the hell is Sunday 9:50 a.m. and it's dark? I think this one looks like Subaru Outback, Subaru, and then the front one. Alright, let me go first. Bye bye, bye bye. Now I know that the Chevrolet Cruze. I'm about to crash. Yeah, I'm about to crash. You're. Where are we? Middle Verde? I don't know where is it, to be honest. Hold on, why am I? Hold on. Oh. He. Hold on. I think my car is broken now, to be honest. Yeah, I think my car is kind of broken. No. You see, like. When I go, it will go to the right. See? Oh my god. You see? Man, I lose control. That's what you get it. Oh, no. Oh, look at it. I flip. Hold on, what's that? If you can get out any difficult situation, you may use F7. Okay. And what's that? Enter to servers. I mean, I don't think I got choice. That's not bad. Take my truck to Phoenix. Ooh. Wow, look at it. Brand new car again. Not a car, truck. Oh, I didn't fix it yet? No, hold on. I need to fix it. Service. Fix. Okay. Oh, nah, fix is good. I don't need a new one. Fix is good. And hey. Alright. Let's restart. Ooh. Alright. Let me see. Yeah. Duh, I don't have a deliver job, but I need to go fast. Nah, not really go fast. If I go fast, I get in trouble again. Let's go. Oh, look at it. I think I need to customize my truck. Donut! Look at it, donut. Too bad my truck's too big. I cannot go to get donut. drift. I must drift. I must drift. Alright. Slow down. Slow. See? Perfect turn. Hold on, I need to turn off my light. I don't need a light. Who need a light, right? Alright, I think I'm gonna go on I-17 and go all the way down to I-8. I'm gonna go all the way to I-8, intersection between I-8 and I-10 is Casa Grande. Buckeye Road, I know. I don't know. Look at that, 120. Oh! How? Oh, it's fucked again. Oops, I just cussed. No, I just cussed. No. I'm gonna drive safely. My mama said when you drive, you better drive safe. I said, okay. Almost there. I think 3 hours. 3 hours 2 minutes to go only 170 miles. Gonna go fast. You need to go fast. Come on, let's go. Watch out. I didn't know engine brake is kind of screwed up. I didn't know that. Guess what? We're gonna try the parking brake. Parking brake. Oh. Excuse me. Alright, let me pass you. Don't copy me, okay? It's a double yellow line. You are not supposed to pass on the double yellow line, but I did. What? Another double yellow line. Oh! Bang! That's what I told you, bro. She. I'm kind of dumb. You see? Oh, my dashboard is a damn Christmas tree. Look at that. Hold on, let me see outside real quick. How bad is it? It's not that bad. Look at brand new. Look at it. Brand new. Alright, man, we're gonna go. Hurry up. We're gonna go get it fixed first. Oh, you can hear that. You can hear the sound. Like clink, 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 clong. It sounds like broken. I told you not to pass on the double yellow line, bro. Why don't you listen to me? Man. You see? You don't even go like. It's okay, bro. Max truck is strong. It's strong. Look at it. I'm gonna go. Yo, I'm going to crash it again. No, not again. See, baru lagi. No, where is here? Middle of nowhere. Let me see. See over. Come on, man. I was thinking that's a damn CD. Man, see over where? No, don't. Oh, I think that's a truck I saw yesterday night. Oh. You see, my truck is pretty broken. You see, look at it. Oh my baby. My dashboard is a damn Christmas tree. Look at it. You can get a Yuma soon as possible. Oh, easily. Oh, that's a nice car. The classic. Heritage classic. I'm not sure why I'm the only one driving the inside lane though. It's okay, my speed can keep up. Hey, don't stop, bro. Scary. Scary. I'm tired. I'm just going to. We're gonna get to the Yuma first, and then you know we can wait for tomorrow. I'm tired, and my truck is pretty bad. I'm pretty sure it's pretty bad. No, F7. Look at that, 65% damage. That's pretty bad, bro. Can you imagine 65% and still drivable? Mac is strong, I'm telling you. Mac is strong. Look at it. The engine will turn off. Guess what? Mac is strong. San Diego. How far is Yuma, man? 31 miles to go. Oh, man, this red Subaru is always in front of me. Crazy. I just pass you and then you are there again. I pass you, you are there again. Ooh, I think that's a dangerous good. What class is it? 2059? I didn't know what I mean, to be honest. Joking. Oh, we're almost there. We're almost there. 16 mile to 14 mile. 14 mile. We're gonna make it. Alright. Mac is strong. We're gonna make it. We will. We will make it. And after that, I'm going to get it fixed. Okay. Should I go get it fixed? Let's go get it fixed and see how much it's gonna cost. Hey! Don't stop! Don't stop on me! Come on, bro. We're almost there. We're almost there. It's kind of bad. But guess what? Mac is strong. Let's go get it fixed, man. I saw the Peterbilt rare. Peterbilt is too luxurious, man. I can't. I'm kind of broke. Turn. Yes. Yeah, brother. Sorry. I wasn't doing it on purpose, man. I got an emergency. Sorry. I got. Come on. You see? I'm gonna roll in bed. Let's go. And after fixing this, I'm going to go get sleep. Oh, watch out. Damn, they all drive so nice car, man. Look at that. Mercedes, Camaro. Pretty good. The truck dealer is closed. Seriously? Alright, man. Damn. Can you trade one in? No, just kidding. I'm broke. I got no money. Car zone. Wanna go auto zone? Come on, bro. Let me go to the rest area to sleep or sleep. What does that mean? Truck headquarters. Is that my headquarters? I don't know my headquarters. Available. No. Come on, are you seriously? 67%. I'm sorry, bro. I didn't see you, FedEx. Damn, whose pickup truck is there? AutoZone. Yo, let me go sleep. Go sleep. Go sleep. Alright. Where? Enter. Oh, they already open. I think that's good. Wow, 40%. That's pretty bad. This, I think this engine. This is what? Transmission, chassis, body. No, cabin, tire, wheel. You look fine. You look fine. You don't need it. Just fix it. 40,000. 120. Replace 80,000. 105. 115. I think why is because I got 30,000 horsepower. I don't think I can control that, but it's okay. 115,000. No, let me see. What if I just repair? Just repair. Repair. You don't need to replace. Repair. Damn! That's like a 3 times difference, man. Guess what? Safety first. Ka-ching. Let me look at it. Alright. So let us see what is. Oh, parking brake is engaged. My bad. Sorry, bro. Alright, we're gonna go. Whoa, hold on. Don't crash it again. Bro. Driver. What are you doing? Alright, today we're just gonna go pick up the friend and I'm gonna take a break. Oops. You know, once I pick up the friend, I'm gonna tell my dispatch, sorry, you know, the warehouse is closed early. I cannot get it in. You know, I'm just going to chill at a truck stop. Let's go. Then Peterbilt, see you next time. Let me save up so I can buy one. We look at it. Oh, it sounds like a brand new, bro. Bye bye. $800. Oh, it's only 700. Cool. So cool. So cool. I want to see how big is my cargo. I'm going to be scared. I'm gonna be so scared. I got a horsepower, man. Don't worry, I got you, bro. You know what? Mech is strong. Oh, turn left. Dude, why don't you tell me earlier? Damn, you see the turning radius? Pretty good. Alright, where's my brakes? Let me see. Ka-ching. Jump over. Free market. Which one is it? Oh, it's this one. Yes. Take the job. Continue. Wow. Wow. It is huge. It is huge. What? We got a reporter? What? Saying what? Like, we're gonna move these from Yuma to I don't know where. It's gonna be heavy, and we got the best driver in the world, which is spending 150,000 to repair the truck. Guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna pay extra attention. What does that mean? Designated land. Then it is safe. Avoid any possible. Okay. Oh, we're gonna have an escort. Okay. All right. We're gonna he's kind of tired, so you know we're gonna take a break. Put a parking brake on, and then turn off the engine. And I will see you guys next time. Okay. Bye bye.